Before you write one line of code as a startup founder, this is what you need to do. I've had this conversation so many times this week, and I promised myself that if I found myself repeating myself, like by saying myself way too much, I promised myself that I would record this stuff, make it accessible, make it available, because clearly, if I'm repeating the same answer to multiple founders asking similar questions, it's valuable information for you to have as a startup founder. So, what should you be doing before you even write one line of code? Like, so many founders get into this stuff and they start building stuff and they want to build a thing to put in front of a customer, or worse yet, you're a non-technical founder and you have a really good idea that you want to bring to market, but you feel kind of hamstrung or blocked by the fact that you can't develop anything. So your idea languishes, you lose time, you don't get to build the thing you want to build because you're desperately searching for technical assistance to get that built when you could be using that time much more effectively. So whether you're a technical founder or a non-technical founder, this is what you need to do before you write one single line of code. And it's simple. It's leverage another platform that already exists to start building traction with your target market. Now, this can be any kind of content creation that you want to do. It could be a Discord server, it could be a Slack channel. You could start a newsletter and start driving subscribers. It could be an Instagram account. Wherever your initial target market lives and breathes, you want to start interacting there with relevant content that allows you to develop a following. This does two really important things for you. One, you start to develop a community of individuals that you can ask questions, you can show early prototypes, you can share your journey with them and really engage them in what you're trying to build and what you could potentially bring to market to support them. Second, it's a way of demonstrating traction. And if you've ever talked to an investor about while looking for capital, most of the time the feedback you're going to get are like, what are your revenue numbers? What's your traction? While this isn't definitive traction around your company and your product, this is a way of demonstrating that you do know how to build traction within your target market. And it's a positive indicator that you may have the potential to do that with an actual product that's designed for that market. So instead of feeling held back because you can't build product fast enough, or you don't have the capacity or resources to build products, look to existing platforms where your target market lives and start attracting that target market ahead of building a product. Do that before you write a single line of code.